Are you like me, where you have a bunch of mods for your vehicle, but your vehicle's just too big to fit in your garage? Or you have a ton of stuff in your garage and you can't fit your vehicle? Or you don't have a carport or garage altogether, and it rains all the time like it does in the Pacific Northwest? Well, have no fear, because we are in it together, baby. And we're gonna get this mod done. And with the power of YouTube, I'm gonna show you about 17 days worth of this project in one shot. Stay tuned. What's up? It's your boy, Big Meats for She's back out in this thing, baby, on a beautiful Saturday. And y'all already know Saturdays, they be doing yard work, so or tackling household projects or whatever. So if you hear noises in the background like lawnmowers or table saws and all that good stuff, you already know what it is, especially when it's a beautiful day like this. But we are tackling a project I've been wanting to do for a long time. Now behind me, I have this nice rack from HK Off-Road, right? And there's these slots right here where something's missing. Yeah, we're gonna tackle that today. Man, I've been waiting to do this for a long time. So there's two of those cutouts on each side for 6-inch flush mount light bars or light pods, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, we're gonna start that project and finally install some lights on the corners. And this will be the first mod we hook up to the Oxbeam 8-gang switch panel. So super excited about that. So let's get into it. All right, guys, these are the lights I went with. I went with these ones because they got the white and amber lights on those. The white I'm gonna plug into the Oxbeam switch panel, and the amber I'm just gonna plug into my parking lights. So basically with 4 of these, one for each tail light and one for each headlight. So can't wait to get these installed, man. I've been holding on these for so long. The only thing with these is the heat shrink fins on the back. They're a little bit too big, so I'm gonna have to grind down a little bit for them to fit. But yeah, once these go in there, ooh, I can't wait, baby. All right, let's get the grinding. And all right, well, we're gonna paint over that, and then you won't see any of that. All right, guys, so we got the lights ready to go. Let's grab one. Let's go to the Jeep. Brand new day. So yeah, these are gonna go in here, and yeah, nice and flush. What you think? We gotta mark some spots, some dots, so we can cuts. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And it's gonna be shining, baby. All right, let's get the marker and get to marking. All right, just put my little paint markings for my holes. About to use the punch and the old persuader, and then we're gonna drill some holes, baby. It's a sad moment, but not terribly. I just realized I'm gonna have to move my little mini traction boards. All right, where are they gonna go next? Where should I put them? All right, so last I left y'all, I was about to drill some holes and put the lights in. So we got the lights in, you know what I'm saying? Came out real nice. So now we gotta wire these joints. And then lastly, because these amber lights are super bright. When I bought these, again, I thought they were DRL, but they're not. So I got some 2.5% tint that's gonna go over that to dim them down a little bit, make them into like a DRL style light, and then we'll check it out. So yeah, let me get started. We go grab some wire and run the wire, and then yeah. So that one for the white light, there's gonna be a wire running through this, so I'm gonna move this out the way, connect it to the one coming here, and then I'll show you. I got these KC lights, little strips right here, hide a wire type deals, and then it's just gonna bloop, go down here like my pods did through here, and then straight across to the aux beam. So that's where we're at. Let me get it in. All right, so we got the lights in, we got them wired in. I used these KC lights, hide a wire strips, but when I thought I ordered two, I only ordered one. So you'll see on the other side that I got to get another one. It's just the wires. But yeah, everything's routed underneath the cowl. I think that's what that part's called. And I got it wired down here to the aux beam to number 6. Same with this side. Like I was saying, I need another one of those hider wires, so I just zip tied it for now. But yeah, let's make sure everything's good before I button it up. But we're almost done. Got the car turned on. We got number 6 with the little red light above it, and we have light, ladies and gentlemen. Yes indeed. All right, let's get it buttoned up. So now it started raining on me, but we don't care. Again, you guys know that there's the white light and amber light. Now let me show you what the amber light looks like and how bright it is. So if you see this light, that is super bright. Now the camera doesn't do it justice, but it is too bright to have as a DRL. You will blind people with this, especially the ones that, you know, pull up alongside of you. So I have a little trick for that. So I went to O'Reilly's, good old corner store, and yeah, you see what I got here? Some 2.5% tint. So this should definitely die down that brightness and turn it into a DRL. Plus it might look kind of cool with that tint over it, you know what I mean? And this stuff is not hard to apply. It's basically got like a sticky back to it. So for this application, it's perfect. I don't know about using this on an actual window, but for what I'm doing, yeah, it's pretty dope. Sorry about the noise, but I got the key in the ignition just to show you guys a comparison. That's without the tint. That's with the tint. Yeah, so we just turned that into a DRL. Super bright. Now if you want a really bright amber, you know, shooting out the side of your vehicle for off-road use, then yeah, that's perfect. But I just wanted it DRL style, so yeah, that's perfect. All right, let's wrap this up. All right, we got all the lights in. Yeah, buddy. Let's go ahead and make sure to see what the white lights look like. Hold up. So this is what it looks like with both of them on, but you won't really see that too much. So yeah, got them in there, baby. So the only thing left to do is finally put our first sticker on there. Let's see which one we're gonna do. All right, so I got these with the switch panel, and then I ordered these ones just to see if there was a few more. And for these side lights that are on the rack, there is one that says rack right there. There's one that says side. Yeah, for that one. On here, let's see what we got. We got the one right there that says side, and the other one on the end that says side. I think I'm gonna go with that one. Let me focus. Yeah, I'll probably go with that one for now until we get something better. And you can always take these off and replace them. So yeah, let's just go with that one. All right. There it is, baby. First official accessory almost completed. Let's just light it up and we can call this one done. Ooh, okay. Yeah, buddy. In there, like swimwear. All right. On to the next. That's dope. I like that. All right, so I had to come out here real quick on the late night in the darkness so you guys can see what this looks like at night. Now, here's one cool feature of me hooking up the amber lights to the parking lights. So when I hit the alarm button, yeah, that's what's up. Now, it's crazy because I got the 2.5% tint on there, and you see, or you will see when I turn these on, when you're looking straight at the light, it's nice and bright. When you're at the side though, you can still see light, but it's almost like a privacy. Now, it's tint, so of course, but it's kind of wild. Hold on. So again, straight up, you know what I'm saying? From the side. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? But you can still see it. It's crazy more in person, but yeah, those came out real nice. All right, hold on. Let's see what they look like with the white light on. Hold up. Oh, snap. Man, that's like I'm in a stadium right now. Them things bright. Got the whole house lit up. Good. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, them things bright, boy. Shee. All right. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. The crazy part is this video took the better of like 17 days. I mean, not that many, but yeah, this video should have been done a long time ago, but it's all good. We got through it. Hope you liked it, or it gave you some ideas. Unfortunately, it appears that these lights are no longer available, but in the link in the description for my Amazon store, you'll see some other ones that if I didn't see these ones, I probably would have got. So check those out. But yeah, you can see what I did and put that towards something else you might want to do, or you know, maybe this was entertaining. I don't know. You can, you know, whatever. Take away from it what you will. I appreciate you watching though. If you like the video, go ahead and like that thing. You know, if you want to share the video, go ahead and share that thing. And if you would like to subscribe, well, you know where that button is. Don't forget to follow your boy again on Instagram and TikTok at Fuelnomenal. Fuelnomenal OYR on Facebook. If you guys want to go ahead and support the channel in any way, make sure you check out Fuelnomenal.com. Got them hoodies on there. I got some tees on there because it's about to be t-shirt weather. I'm looking to put some more stuff on there, but keep in touch. Or just check out the website. Let me know what you think. Yeah, got some more mods in store, so stay tuned. Trying to build one of the dopest little WJs out here. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, other than that, y'all already know what to do. Be easy. Back out you in this thing, baby. And we are, oh man, the first mod that we hook up to the Oxbeam 8 gang. You can get your mods done just like me. And
where is that thing at? Oh, there you are, Bonnie.
For those of you who own homes or, you know, hold on, I gotta do that again.